I told God, I said, God, if you sent me, and God proved himself within 24 hours, I should lay this sacrifice on the altar. Within the next 24 hours, if God sent me, I said this year, he will prove himself in your life. You can sit down now and take a sacrifice. Lift up your voice for that song. Let me tell you, as you are doing that, we are looking to buy a church bus between now and the end of March. We are looking to buy a church bus. We find one, and it's about 90 to 120,000. We find one. I am making on this altar, I need just 12 people that will buy that bus, including myself and my family. I need 12 people that will buy that bus between now and March. If no 12 people come, I will buy it to the glory of the Lord. I vow it. I what? I vow it. We are looking to buy a church bus between now and end of March. It's about 90 to 120,000. So if it is 120,000, 12 people giving how much? 10,000. Somebody can even say, I will buy it. But if no 12 people come out now to buy that bus, before God that I serve, God of abundant showers of blessing, God that is unlimited, God that gave me a nation, I enter into a nation without a visa, an impossible God, I will buy that bus between now and March. Me and my family will buy it. If no 12 people come out. So, if that is your own pledge, 10,000 or 5,000, that I want to be part of this bus, it might not be convenient. If it is a convenient, it's an offering. It's not a sacrificial offering. Don't just listen to me. Let God challenge you. Don't let me challenge you. If what I am saying is to cajole you, please keep your pledges. Don't write anything and don't come out. But if what I am telling you is by the Spirit of God, please obey it. I want the 12 people for the church bus. And that I'm talking about must come in between now and February ending, finally on the 15th of March. Because by 30th of March, if I serve God of abundant showers of blessing, the church bus must be here. If not, any one of you that come to this church on the last 30 day of March, you don't find that bus, don't come to this church anymore. God did not send me. I stop. Come out. You want to be part of the bus. And tell me what you want to contribute. I want you to say it, because the God that if you are not ashamed of him, he will not be ashamed of you. He will announce you. I said it, your name will be announced in Twitter, in Facebook, as the new celebrity. Give me a microphone and somebody write it down. I want to give everything with all your blood. If no one come for this 120,000 church bus pledge, me and my family, we will put it there. Give me a microphone. Start from the left. Sondarabashketesk. Oh, Bragadisk ego sita. Gadiso to Bradisk ego zagalaba. Lege teziza. Bragadado sintalaba. Razikato zendele. Yegados intabarale to zabradisk. Zike kuzagalabradis sendalaba. Letos igalaba. If you lift up, if you have something in your hand, lift it to help everybody, congregation. Lift your pledges. Today, I'm also making a sacrifice of $5,000. Me and my family. I'm making what? A sacrifice of how much? A sacrifice of how much? To join the people that are in front. I can't say, and I can't ask you to do what I am not doing. Then I am fake. In fact, God will strike me dead if I am lying to you. But if God truly is behind this altar, your sacrifice is hereby accepted to heaven. And I command supernatural blessing. Supernatural blessing. In the name of Jesus. And I will show them a sign from among them that escape. You have just heard the testimony. We have just connected to Dubai, to Ghana. Those are the signs. If I am faking it, there will be no sign. If I am faking it today, there will be no testimony. Oh, Lord, I give you glory. Because you are the caller, you are the doer. You are the caller, you are the doer. I'm saying this week, by this Sunday, I want somebody here to show me the sign that God truly sent me to you. I trade with God. I trade my love with God. I trade my faith with God. I don't fake anything. I don't seek for money anywhere. I don't seek for fake money. I seek my hope in God. My expectation and my faith is fully in the Lord. People of God, if I fake it, I can't have this testimony.